Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I have a special gift for the Tacoma lovers. I have this cover that this man sent to me for the video. We're gonna try it for the first time together in this video. And the thing about this one is that's for Tacomas from 2005 to 2023. So that is a really wide range, I have to say. It's not that it is from 2016 to 2023. No, 2005 to 2023 models, not the 2024. Remember, that's when it changed to that really nice Tacoma. But I have a 2022 limited edition over here. We're gonna try it out. This one also comes with a bag, so in case that you want to take it with you to vacations, or you're going to an Airbnb or like a weekend trip or something like that, you can just take it with the bag over here, which we're gonna put right here. And then it also comes with a zipper for the door, so we're gonna try that right now for the first time and see how that one goes. Well, I gotta say, I mean, that took more than I thought, but it's fully covered. It's entirely covered. I was not expecting this one. I thought it's gonna be something that was not gonna be like cover 100%, but yeah, it's fully covered. So that's actually quite nice. So we can switch to a closer look now. So you can see that, as I was telling you before, it comes with a zipper right here for the door. So you have access to the door in case that you need something, in case that you need anything like easy access or something like that. You can just get inside and just grab that one and just get it out. Whoop, not like that, but get it out and just close the zipper over here and forget about it. Another good thing is that it also comes with a strap over here, lots of straps actually, but this one is very important one. That one actually goes under the car. So whenever you're ready, you can actually do this one, clip it and adjust it to the bottom of the car. So it will be just like that, adjusted to the other side. Another good thing, let me show you. Both the front of the car, the front of the truck, both on this side and on the other side, and the same thing right here with the mirrors, and the same thing in the back, would have a total of 6 reflective strips over here, which is gonna be really nice in case that you leave this one outside in the dark or something like that. These ones are gonna reflect whenever someone is pointing a light at it. And another thing that I like is that this one, on all 4 wheels, it comes with more straps, so you can actually tie them to the actual wheel and just forget about it. This thing won't move. And the same thing right here on the back with the 2 reflective ones. The one thing that I believe that is missing that could be really good to have it is that it has a zipper right here all the way across, and you can flip it that way and just have access, or just a zipper right here that you can drop on the bottom and have access to the truck bed over here. Because I mean, it's not super hard. It's just like do this and blah blah blah, remove it. But if I have all the straps, it's gonna be a little bit of a hassle. But that is the only thing. This thing is gonna be entirely and 100% waterproof, so that is also really good for withstanding the elements and the different stations, or seasons, actually seasons, not a station. So if you're a Tacoma lover, remember 2005 to 2023, you can have this really nice cover for your truck with the door, the zipper on the door, the 6 reflector strips, also the straps over there and the one on the bottom, and 100% waterproof. This one would be a good one for you to consider. Thanks for watching. See you soon.